Hello friends, welcome back to the Pharmabeej. In previous videos, we have seen interview question and answer series. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the latest published guidelines in 2020 for the pharmaceutical industry and what is the purposes of that in guidelines we are going to discuss in this video. But if you have not seen our previous videos, you can check our playlist, otherwise I will provide link in a description box. So without delay, let's get started with this video. In 2020, there are two CGMP guidelines and one revision guideline is published. The two CGMP guidelines are expiration date of prepackaged drug product and nitrous ammonium impurity, and one revision guideline, that is elemental impurity ICH-Q3D, that is revision 1. So these three guidelines are published in 2020. Out of two, one is revision and two are new final guidelines are published. The ICH-Q3D R1, that is elemental impurity guidance for the industry. The actual guideline was published on July 2018 and the first revision was made effective on March 2020, in this year only. This guideline is issued by the Department of Center for Drug Evaluation and Research and Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, that is CDER and CBER. These two are the main department of the US regulatory. So guideline describes about the three parts, that is the drug evaluation of toxicity data for the potential elemental impurities, the establishment of PDE for each element of toxicological concern, and third point is the application of risk-based approach to control elemental impurities in the drug product. So these three parts are covered in this guideline. Now what actual guideline says, that you just check in this image. So the guideline is published on 10/3/2020 and issued by Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research and CDER. So second guideline is guidance document for expiration dating of unit dose repackaged solid oral dosage form drug products. Earlier there was no such guideline by the US FDA. Now it is made effective from July 2020. This guidance document was published on July 2020 by the US regulatory body. Now this guideline this guidance document was issued by CDER, that is US department. Now here what this guideline talks about, it talks about required stability study for the repackaged drug product and appropriate expiration date. That means it talks about the repacking drug product stability study. Till date we have seen that one of the company is making a drug and other company is packing the drug and selling. While repacking, there is no final conclusion for the stability study or the expiration date of the drug. Now in this image you can see this guideline was published by CDER. This guideline is concerned about the expiration date of the repackaged drug product. So you can see here. Now the third guideline is control of nitrous ammonium impurity in a human drug. Now we have heard that most of the company are taking recall because of nitrous ammonium impurity present in the drug. Okay, so this guidance document is published on September 2020, means that is a recent guideline, and guidance document was issued by CDER, that is Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. This guidance is recommended to API and a drug product manufacturer step to take to detect and prevent unacceptable level of nitrous ammonium impurity in a pharmaceutical drug product. Now recently we have seen most of the companies are recalling their drug product because of the nitrous ammonium present in the drug, that is NDME That's the reason most of the company are taking back their drug products. So in this image you can see this guideline is published issued by CDER. So you can read it. And now important note point from this video is the ICH Q3 guideline R1 revision date March 2020, expiration dating for prepackaged drug product July 2020, and control of nitrosamine impurity, that is September 2020. These three guidelines are published in 2020, so you can keep it in your mind. While interview, if someone asks you, you should be in the ready position to tell the answer of this guidelines. So thanks for watching this video and good luck for your interview and have a nice day. Thanks.